we are going to take this starter off. To do so, you're going to want to push this in. This is the wire going to the starter here. You know, disconnect that. Make sure don't drop anything in here. You can put paper towels on it. You can put tape on it if you want. I actually cleaned it. I cleaned all the surface off, debris. If you have a vacuum, I don't have one, but if you have a vacuum, you can vacuum up all this trash here. But you don't want to get any of the trash in here. You can see in here all this buildup. You see that? Typically, if you get like a fuel injection cleaning service, it'll clean those out, give you better gas mileage, better detonation, things like that. Anyhow, on the back nut, which is here, I've already taken off with a 12, is the power to the starter. And then these two bolts here are 14s, which I am going to get with this ratchet. I'm going to try, and then it should pull out.